start again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. So I've got a teeny tiny little box. This is not even the length of my hand, and apparently there's an e-file in here as well. So look, how the hell is there an e-file in this box? So this is from Morovan, and this is a mini acrylic starter kit. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch them or actually build a nail. I might try build a nail, but yeah, this is a beginner acrylic kit. This is off Amazon. I'll leave the link for it below. I thought this was rather cute, so shall we just see what we get in it? So here's the acrylic. So they are 15 grams. You get a white, a pink and a clear. Decent sized beginner pots, aren't they? There's nothing miniature about them, not really. Let me just move this off to the side. So we've got the acrylic. Oh my gosh, there is not an e-file in that. I have got tiny hands. There is never an e-file in that. We'll have a look at that in a sec. Right, so we've got, oh my gosh, 3 minuscule brushes. So we've got a size 4, which is a teeny dot one, a size 16 and a size 10. Size 16 for a beginner, come on. The 10 doesn't look too bad. So we'll probably have to use that 10. I don't know, that's a bit big for me actually. I might use my own brush. But anyway, yeah, it comes with 3 brushes. We've got some plastic transparent paper forms. So we've got, we've got a primer. Cool, and that's a little minuscule bottle as well. Everything's so mini. We've got a cuticle oil and a mini file. What else is in here? Oh, that's cool. I like that they've included that. So we've got a fine ceramic flame bit. I like that that's included and not your crappy standard drill bits. That's cool. So we've got a nail dapping dish. I like this packaging as well. Look. Little cute dapping dish. I like this, so we'll leave that out. We're going to have to use that. Right, so this is the monomer. I can stink it already. Oh my gosh, it is in a box. It is shrink wrapped and I can still smell it. So let's get this open. So this is 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 ml. So it's a decent size little bottle. Let's have a look. Oh, that's sealed as well. Gosh, that's a lot of sealage for me to still smell it. So, guys, let's take a look at this bloody e-file. There's no way there is an e-file in that box. There better be an e-file in that box, actually. Right, oh my gosh, this is going to be the most minuscule thing I've ever seen. Right, so it comes with your standard drill bits in there. They're alright for prep. They're alright for prep. And you've got your sanding band bit in there. Right, so it's got forward and reverse mode and speed control. USB powered. Right, let's... Oh my gosh, it's pink. Look at the size. Oh my gosh. Let me get a full size file. Just to show you, this is a full-size file, just to give you an idea of the size. It is minuscule. Right, so what shall we do first? We'll build a nail, shall we? We'll build a nail and then we'll see if we can use that file to file it. Yeah, let's do that. Right, so I am going to use my own brush only because the small one's too small and that one is huge. Yeah, I'm not using a big brush like that. So I'm going to use this McCart. This is a size 8. And it's perfect size for a beginner, I think, a size 8. So I'm going to use that brush. So I have got out one of my practice fingers. This is going to be fun. I'm just going to give this tip a little buff And I'm just going to use some regular nail glue. Glue this tip on. And I'm just going to blend that in with the natural nail, especially them side bits. And then I'm just going to buff off all the shiny surface to that tip. So I've got all my acrylics open. That's white, that's pink, that's clear. So I'm just gonna, if this was my natural nail, I would use the X-Strength primer. So that's all been filed and buffed. So I'm just gonna, just where your natural nail would be, just a nice thin layer of the primer. And that air dries. Gosh, that stinks. I've got some monomer in my dapping dish. I don't know if I've got enough, but I can always put more in, can't I? So, right, is that, which one's clear? Right, so this one's clear, so I'm gonna put a clear, very thin clear layer down first. That's what people do, isn't it? Right, can you see what I'm doing? Don't judge me, guys. I'm not an acrylic person. So I'm just gonna spread that right down the nail like a base layer. Yeah? Sorry about my dog barking, guys. Right, so that's a base layer. That seemed to go on alright, didn't it? Got a piab. So I'm going to try and do like a baby boomer. So do we do the tip first? Right, let's get rid of that clear for now. What do we do first? The nail bed or the tip? We'll do the tip first, shall we? In pink. So I'm just going to apply it the same way I would apply a gel. So I'd start about there with my gel. Pull that down. And then I would feather it up. Oh. This is drying very fast. It's quite a transparent pink, isn't it? Gonna need more than that, aren't we? So let's put some more. Just gonna paint it on. Yeah, it's very transparent. Might put some glitter on it at the end there. Right, it still needs more, doesn't it? Oh, this stinks. Right, I'm just going to do one more. A bit further down because it's a bit thin at the tip, isn't it? Oh shit, that was a bit runny. That one was a bit runny. Right, should we do the white now? Can you see me? Oh, right. I think I'm doing it a bit wet, aren't I? Push it into that cuticle area. And then... Gosh, this is drying instantly. Instantly. Is it because it's really hot today? Gosh, right. We'll speed this up now, guys, and just let you watch. Or else we'll be here all day. Guys, look at the state of it. Problem with this is it's dried instantly. So I'm going to put some glitter on it and then we'll cap it and file it, shall we? I'm determined to make it look good. Let's get some glitter out. Right, I'm just going to use this little transparent iridescent because I still want the tip to look pink. So we need the clear again, don't we? So again, I'm going to speed this up, guys, because we're going to be here all day. So I'm going to just... What do you do again? Pick up some of that and then some of the glitter. Is that how you do it? Oh shit. This acrylic dries instantly, guys, and I think because it's so hot. Right, so I've loaded this little thing up. I mean, I think I can tell you already, this is not going to cut through acrylic, but we'll give it a go. This is going to be for nail prep. So I've got it on forward. I've got it on a pretty high speed, so I mean, it weighs nothing. It weighs absolutely nothing, but we'll give it a chance. We'll give it a chance. Let's see what it does. Actually, it's not going to cut through it, but guys, it's not as bad as I was expecting. No, it's not going to cut through it. It's not as bad as I thought, though. It really isn't as bad as I thought. So let me get my little powerhouse out and we'll get through this nail and salvage it. Right, guys, that is it, all filed and buffed. I've finished it off camera because you would have been here all day. You can kind of see where the clear finishes and the white starts, but I've got some sort of nail out of it. I have got a Morovan top coat, so let's get this top coated and get this video wrapped up. Right, so yeah, that's everything, guys. So you got your brushes, your cuticle oil, your file, your paper foams, your monomer, your dap and dish, your primer. I thought that was a nice touch. You get your 3 acrylics. Let me zoom you out a bit. And this little e-file, I mean, it's for prep, maybe shaping. It was better than I was expecting, I will say that. It was better than I was expecting. Definitely wasn't. But yeah, it's just a little acrylic starter kit, isn't it? I would like the pink to have been a bit more, a bit less transparent, quite transparent, isn't it? But yeah, it's a little beginner kit, a little cheeky beginner kit. And I had a go, so that's the finished nail. Yeah, that pink's very transparent, isn't it? But it's not too bad. It's amazing what you can do with a file, isn't it? Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.